Are you tired of seeing that annoying gamma watermark on your presentations? Today I am going to show you how to remove it quickly for free using Canva. Let's dive right in. Open Canva. Start by launching the Canva app on your device. If you don't have it yet, it's available for free online. Once you're in Canva, choose the presentation option from the homepage. Click on Upload Files and select the PowerPoint file you downloaded from Gamma. This is where your slides with the watermark are stored. In this side panel, navigate to projects and open the uploaded presentation. Go through each slide and locate the Gamma AI watermark. Simply click on it and delete it. Export your clean presentation. Click on the share button at the top right. Select download. Choose PPTX as your file type. Finally, download your presentations without any watermarks. And there you have it. In just few minutes, you have transformed your Gamma presentation into a professional looking deck without any distracting watermarks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.